Okay guys, in this video we will learn about the data types that are used inside the Python 3.7. As we know that there are four major types of data types. The first one is integer, the second one is float, the third one is character or string type, and the fourth one is Boolean. So first we will start from the integer data type. First you can write a is equal to 1. So what actually it means, when we just wrote the a, at the same time the computer creates a small storage space, that is the data storage space within the system or within the computer, you can say. Then what will happen, we have written an equality sign, but actually here it is not, you cannot say that it is doing the function of equality. Actually it is the assignment operator that is actually taking this a and putting it in a, taking this one and putting in a. So now we can say that where is one, the one is inside this a storage space or a variable which is of integer data type, because we have assigned it as, we have assigned it an integer, so it is integer, it is of integer data type. So press enter, write a and press enter, and you will get 1. Now b is equal to, we can just write 23.45. So here what it will do, the compiler for us, it will, because you can see that there is one decimal point, so these are actually float data type numbers, or you can say that it is float type of data. So it will be assigned to this variable b. So when you press enter, now you can write type of a, sorry, type of a integer and type of b float. So here you can see that a is of integer data type and b is of float data type. Now after these two data types we will come towards the character or string data type. So for it you can write any variable like d is equal to two inverted commas, and you can write here is apple. What it actually means that actually we are writing here a string of characters, or you can say that a character or string data type, it is a type of data actually. So it is stored inside the b. So what actually Python will do, when you press enter, it will store apple inside this d, which is of character or string data type. So how to check type of d, and let's bracket close, press enter, and it will give you class a string. So you can by using the word type you can find the type of, or you can find the type of data, or it is also called as data type. So the last one is actually Boolean. So here you can write like t is equal to true or false, because Boolean means true. So true is actually is represented by 1 and false by 0 in many other languages. But here actually it is used usually with if else and switch case, or with inputs and outputs. But here we are just like learning the data type, so no need to write any complex program. Just write t is equal to true, and true is actually stored inside the t. So what is t? It is true. Now in t we can just store true or false, like t is equal to false, maybe, yes, now t and this is false. So this is actually Boolean data type. Boolean means 2. Either it can be 1, either it can be 0. So hopefully you got all the concepts regarding the data types within the Python. So Thanks for watching.